It's just me. Do you like it? I personally like it. Anyway. We are going, just read the intro. I mean, not, just read the title and you'll find out what we're doing. So let's go. Hi. So, if you read the title, then we saw this really weird floorboard there, and we think it's a secret room. We can't really open it. Like, listen, it's hollow, so we don't know what's down there. Is it like, I can't really take it apart, but you can hear the knocks. It's hollow in there. We just can't get it open. It's like glued shut. So, hi. So, I should try jumping on it.
Why would you jump?
I want to try.
Don't.
Look at a scary clown down there. That's creepy.
Yeah, we heard it knock after she knocked on it.
That was creepy though. Oh my gosh, it's really scary. It's not coming anymore. That was creepy.
What if the big room's like under?
Oh my god, that was really scary.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I might come out with a part 2. I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, make sure you click that subscribe button, and you don't have to hit the like button. I don't really care. I just want more subscribers. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.